Good morning, children. How are you all? I welcome you all to our English class. Our topic for today is phonic sounds. Today, we are going to learn the phonic sounds of A to Z. Let us start now. Children, first we start with vowels. There are 5 special letters in the English alphabet. These are A, E, I, O, U. I repeat, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 alphabets are called vowels. Understood, children? Now, consonants. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. What are the B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I repeat, there are 21 consonants in the English alphabet. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Children, now you understood about vowels and consonants, isn't it? I'm going to show you now a video for phonic sounds, how to pronounce this alphabet. Okay, let us start now.
A, A. B, B. K, K. D, D. E, E. F, F. G, G. E, E. J, J. K, K. O, O. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. A, A. Qu, Qu. S, S. T, T. A, A. V, V. W, W. X, X. Yeah, yeah. Z, z.
Did you watch this video, children? Once again, I repeat, just listen.
A, a. B, b. D, d. E, e. G, g. E, e. J, j. O, o. Mm, mm. A, a. Qu, qu. Er. S, s. T, t. A. Mm. W, w. X, x. Y, y. Z, z.
Okay, children, I hope you all learn how to pronounce these alphabets, isn't it? All right. Now, let us learn how to read SH words. How to read SH words. The sound for SH, sh. What is the sound for SH? Sh. S. So, see the words. Shake, sh, up, shop, shirt, ship. I repeat, sound for SH, sh, sh. So, shake, shop, shirt, ship. Next, CH words. How you will say CH? Ch. Sound for CH is ch. Let us see some CH words. Chain, chair, chat, chin. I repeat, chain, chair, chat, chin. Next, TH words. Sound for TH, th, th. Let us see some examples for TH words. Think, throw, throw, three, three, thirsty, thirsty. I repeat, sound for TH, th. And examples, think, throw, three, thirsty. At last, WH sound. How you will say WH? W, w. Examples: when, what, where, and who. This who is little different from other words. Who. I repeat, WH sound W. And examples: when, what, where, who. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's class. See you in the next class. Until that, bye bye.